Just one block from the community boat ramp, then easy access to Lemon Bay and the Gulf. New dimensional shingle roof on house and shed in 2023, new air conditioner in 2022, and impact windows in 2017. No pesky deed restrictions or mandatory HOA fees. Not in a designated flood zone, so your lender will not require you to have flood insurance. There was no water damage here from either Hurricanes Helene or Milton. This very functional floor plan will surely meet your needs, with a combo living/dining area open through to the family room. Currently used as a formal dining area, the kitchen has plenty of cabinetry and countertops, and there's even room for a small dinette table, if you should so desire. Popular split plan has the primary bedroom on one side of the house, and the guest bedroom opposite. The primary bedroom has a huge walk-in closet, ceiling fan, and sliding glass doors to the lanai. The primary bath features a shower west/door. The guest bedroom is good sized, and has a full-length wall closet and ceiling fan, and the guest bedroom has a combo tub/shower. The tiled flooring laid on a diagonal throughout the house makes for easy maintenance. The two-car garage houses the washer/dryer/utility tub. The screened lanai will be your favorite place to hang out when the weather is cooler. Chain link fence